All right, truck camper reveal. Sealed all the windows. They're all nice and new. Got a new lock on the back and hardware because didn't have that before. Oh, there we go. All right, welcome in. New strut assembly, boom. Nice and clean in here. Oh, nice and clean. Don't worry the foam, I gotta throw that away. It's just extra from the mattress. One moment. Opening the tailgate is a two-handed job. Got the rod locker here. Got a couple rod tubes. I have a handle for that I still have to install. Those windows slide there. Got that covered out. I'm probably just gonna tint those black instead of having that cloth up there. Got curtain rods, well you can see where it attaches. And I got these PVC curtain rods that hang up there. And then the storage. So got a battery operated fan, all my storage compartments, goes back pretty far. It's like a trash can, foldable trash can, box fan back there. We got 2 bag chairs, a canopy, that table, other random stuff. That's the unveiling.